We've unboxed the video doorbell kit, and these are all the accessories along with the video doorbell that you would get, and we'll introduce you to each one of them. The first one is the video doorbell itself. The second one that you have is the video doorbell is actually fit to your wall or where your actual doorbell is, and you'll have a back plate and a back cover for the same. You'll have a memory card that goes into the video doorbell, a 32 GB memory card which will store all the videos, an instruction guide on how to install, how to configure, and you will have an 18650 2500 mAh lithium ion battery which is actually used to power the video doorbell when there is no power. In order to charge the battery, you have a power supply, so the battery is always continuously charging, and when there is a power cut or any of those situations, the video doorbell runs out of battery. And then you have a chime. So basically, when the doorbell is pressed, the chime would ring, and also you would get a call on your phone. So the chime is actually a replacement for your actual doorbell. And finally, you have three AAA batteries which would power the chime. The chime actually is powered by AAA batteries, or it can be powered directly through mains. Now you have a few more accessories here which are smaller ones. So basically, the one that you see here, the wires and the screws are really used to connect the power supply, the output of the power supply, to the backside of the VDB, and these wires are used for the same. Then you get two screws which are actually used to screw the back panel to either to your wall or to the 2-module junction box where a doorbell is generally kept. And you have Allen keys which generally puts in this video doorbell, locks the video doorbell to the back frame so that no theft can happen on your video doorbell.